We found the perfect balance of modern elegance and everyday comfort. Right here in the highly coveted Ayala Alabang Village. This brand new architectural masterpiece sits on a generous 625 square meter canvas. Approach the striking wood-paneled entrance, secured by a state-of-the-art smart lock system. As the door swings open, you aren't just walking into a house. You're stepping into a sanctuary. The ground floor unfolds like a masterclass in open-concept design. Light-colored, large-format tiles bounce natural light across the expansive living and formal dining areas. It's a space that breathes, completely climate-controlled by Daikin, and flows seamlessly toward the outdoors. Welcome to the culinary heart of the home, the formal kitchen. Crafted with premium modular cabinets and outfitted with top-of-the-line Elba appliances, this space is as functional as it is beautiful. Every luxury home needs an engine room. Here, we transition into the comprehensive service quarters, complete with comfortable setups for your staff and their own private bathroom. Moving back through the pristine main living space, notice how the lighting design from Green Group Inc. creates a warm, inviting ambiance. We arrive at a true rarity and a highly sought-after feature, the ground floor master suite. Warm wood flooring grounds the room, while expansive windows invite the morning sun without the need to climb a single stair. Step into your private dressing room. The custom walk-in closet by Ravi Modularity offers boutique-style storage, perfectly tailored for your entire wardrobe. The ensuite master bathroom is your personal spa. Outfitted with dual sinks, an oversized glass-enclosed shower, and top-tier HCG fixtures, getting ready here feels like a daily retreat at a five-star resort. Also on the ground floor, we have a versatile den. Think of this as a chameleon room. Need a home office, a library, a guest room for elders? It's ready to adapt to your lifestyle, complete with its own elegant ensuite bathroom. Now, let's slide open these glass doors and step into your private southern oasis. This is where memories are made. A stunning waterscape swimming pool serves as the crown jewel of the backyard. Surrounded by a fully landscaped, lush green perimeter wall, this space offers complete privacy. Imagine hosting twilight barbecues or simply floating here on a quiet weekend afternoon. Let's head upstairs. The solid wood staircase, framed by modern iron balusters, acts as an elegant spine connecting the two levels of the home. Welcome to the second floor. Immediately, you're greeted by a bright, airy bedroom. With its warm wood floors and generous closet space, it's a perfect sanctuary for family members or guests, naturally complete with its own beautifully tiled ensuite. At the top of the landing lies the family entertainment area. This is your intimate, private living room. The sleek, built-in entertainment wall is a gorgeous focal point, the perfect setting for family movie nights or simply unwinding before bed. Moving into the third bedroom, the natural light is truly the star of the show. The expansive windows make the room feel boundless. It also features built-in desk space, ample cabinetry, and, of course, a pristine ensuite bath. And finally, the fourth bedroom. Just like the others, it refuses to compromise on space or luxury. Large picture windows, an abundance of storage, and a private ensuite bathroom featuring a glass-enclosed shower and a high-end illuminated vanity mirror. Looking back over the second floor landing, the flow of this home is undeniably perfect. It's more than a beautiful house. It's an empty canvas, waiting for your family's next great chapter. For more information and to schedule a private and discreet VIP viewing for this home, you may get in touch with us via our contact details in the description. Go to our channel for full-length educational and data-driven videos on Southern Metro Manila real estate. Visit our website for a list of various curated properties in the South. Email us if you would like to buy, sell, or lease properties. Till then, we'll see you in the South.